Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Elantra headlight bulb, updated. Start by parking the car on level ground, turning off the engine, and engaging the parking brake. Put on gloves and safety glasses, then open the hood and locate the headlamp assembly. Confirm the bulb type for your Elantra and keep the new bulb in its packaging until installation. Work in good light and keep small parts organized for reassembly. After prepping, focus on removing the old bulb carefully and avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Remove the access cover by twisting or unclipping it, then locate the electrical connector behind the bulb. Press the release tab and pull the connector straight out, then unfasten any retaining clip or twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Set the old bulb aside and inspect the socket for corrosion or debris before fitting the replacement. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth if you want a simple, readable guide to personal finance that pairs well with saving for car maintenance. I find it a useful mental model while budgeting for repairs and upgrades. Look in the description for the link and extra deals, and now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb by its base and keep skin oils off the glass to prevent hot spots. Align the bulb tabs, insert it into the socket, and secure any retaining clip or twist it clockwise until seated. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly, then activate the headlights to confirm operation and beam alignment. If alignment is off, make minor adjustments per your owner manual, then replace the access cover and close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.